temperature on obstructive sleep apnea. Hello, this is Patrick Lee. I'm your researcher and curator at the Sleep and Spine. Today, we're going to talk about the relationship between the room temperature. This is for your room temperature on the obstructive sleep apnea. Now, the room temperature affects your sleep from two aspects, in two ways. One is it affects your obstructive sleep apnea. Number two, it affects your efficiency, the efficiency of your sleep. The result is your morning alertness, So these two comes to this result. Now, how does the temperature affect your obstructive sleep apnea as well as the efficiency of your sleep? In order to answer this question, a group of outstanding Swedish scientists did a study. Actually, it was 4 outstanding Swedish researchers and scientists. They're all very proud of their Swedish heritage. So this is their Swedish flag. Now they published a study. It was published in the Journal of Sleep in April 2012. Now the title of the study was ambient temperature and obstructive sleep apnea. Effects on sleep. Effects on sleep. Sleep apnea and morning alertness. So this is their big study. In this study, they recruited 40 patients with an AHI value between 10 and 30. Now then they tested 3 different temperatures. This is their thermometer. Now the first temperature is 16 degree Celsius, which is about 60 degree Fahrenheit. Now the second one was 20 degree Celsius, which is about 68 Fahrenheit. So this is a little higher. And the third one is even higher. So this is 24 degrees Celsius, and it's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So they tested the patients under these three room temperature, ambient temperature, room temperature. And they found something very interesting. So the first thing they found was the correlation between the AHI and the room temperature. So this one is for, this is for 16 degrees Celsius. This is 60 Fahrenheit. And this one is 20 degrees Celsius. This is 68 Fahrenheit. And this is 24 degrees Celsius. This is 75 Fahrenheit. Now here, the average AHI was 30. Here for the 20 degrees Celsius was 28. And for the 24 was 24. So with the increasing room temperature, the AHI goes down. This is very interesting. Number two, they also looked at the sleep efficiency. So again, this is 16. This is 60 Fahrenheit. This is 20, 24 CC. This is 68 Fahrenheit, 75 Fahrenheit. Now, here, this is interesting. This is the efficiency of sleep, or sleep efficiency. Sleep efficiency. Now, for 16 degrees Celsius, it was 77%. And for 20, here's 75%. And here, this one is 71%. So basically, is to say, with the increasing temperature, the sleep efficiency also comes down. Now, then they also did a observation of the sleep alertness or the morning alertness. They used a scale called the Karolinsk sleepiness scale. And here is again, this is the 16C, 60 Fahrenheit, 20C, 24C, 68 Fahrenheit, and 75 Fahrenheit. Now they found the this is Karolinsk sleepiness scale for the 16 degrees Celsius was 4.1, and for the 20 it was 4.4, and for the 24 was 4.7. So this is quite interesting. Now let's go to the next screen. Let's put them all together. This is a surprising finding. So here again, this is the temperature. This is the temperature. And here's, let's say this is the 16, and here's the 24. We only compare these two. Fahrenheit, 60 Fahrenheit, and 75 Fahrenheit. Now, if we look at the AHI, so AHI, now the AHI at 16 was 30. And at 24 was only 24. This is lower, 24. However, if you look at the Karolinsk sleepiness scale, so let's use the blue pen for Karolinsk sleepiness scale. Here you see, this is a 4.1, and here this is a 4.7. By the way, the higher this Karolinsk sleepiness scale, the higher this number, the more sleepy a person was. So the surprise is that with a higher AHIs, with more sleep apnea, you have a lower sleepiness score. However, with at a higher temperature, you have a less sleep apnea, but then in the morning, you are more tired, more sleepy. So this is obviously it's a surprise. However, not until you put the third factor in, that is the sleep efficiency. So at 16, the sleep efficiency let's use another color. If you add into the third factor, that is the sleep efficiency. So at 16 degrees, the sleep efficiency was say this is 77%. However, at 24, it reduced. It is 71%. So this is the sleep efficiency. So it looks like that the sleepiness has more to do with your sleep efficiency. The more alert you are, the higher the sleep efficiency, the more alert you are. And so the less efficient, the more sleepy you are. So this is a very interesting finding. So basically, is to say with the temperature, you are going through a balance. Going through a balance. This balance is the sleep apnea versus this is your balance versus sleep efficiency. And with the lower temperature, you have a higher sleep apnea. But you also have a higher sleep efficiency. Then this balance is individual. So you really have to set your room temperature to the one that is the best to you. Whether you measure it through your morning sleepiness scale, or you measure it with the AHI, the severity of the sleep apnea. So that's the end. Thank you very much for for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because it is my mission to produce useful and interesting videos for you on a weekly basis to keep you in the know, to help you to better take care of your health. Now, if you would like to get a free copy of the summary of this Swiss study, please submit a request at my website, and that is juvia.com. So juvia.com. And if you do have any questions, please submit it below, and I promise to respond to your questions quickly. Thank you again for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.